Alright, I should be live. Hopefully. I'm not entirely sure, it depends. Let me double check on YouTube because I don't trust YouTube sometimes. Oh yeah, I'm live. Just give me the notification. Alright. Hello! I'm live. Okay, I'm gonna quickly get the link to my live stream real quick on YouTube so I can post it. Let me just... There we go. Alright, so bam. Copy that. Hello, Vux. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, I was trying to upload to Discord real quick of my stream. Alright, there you go. So Twitch, yep, Twitch notification automatically gets sent out, but YouTube doesn't. So I sent the YouTube one, and we're doing public live VC because, like, you know, why not? Okay, I need to actually boot up Roblox and Roblox Studio because I didn't actually prepare. CQ's still alive, I think. CQ's playing 99 tonight. Where did I get 300 points from? It might have been when I was returning a bunch of things, maybe. Or you probably got the 300 points for growing a watch streak. Because when you grow a watch streak, you get up to 450 plus points on Twitch. So potentially it could be the watch streak. I got Roblox open. And you get Studio open. Okay, so what happened last time was I ended up on a little cliffhanger. Basically, I couldn't get the feature of restarting the server and redirecting all players to new servers to work. But I had a viewer in my Discord server try and help me out with that, and I'm going to check out their little tip with that. And then hopefully it will work. I just need to update Roblox Studio right now, so. Good times! Anyways. Am I a bit too loud for the microphone? I feel like I'm a bit too loud. I might be a little too loud. Not entirely sure. Oh, I can say one thing now, I'm really tired. School has been doing my head. And made me tired. Okay, Roblox Studios loaded. Let me just hop into the thing real quick. Now, I was told to make the thing pop up on the screen when I was doing Roblox Studio. Problem is, I can't do that, otherwise hackers and exploiters would know how to get to the restart button to restart the server. And I don't really want that, because, well, it's going to annoy all players across the entire server if exploiters can somehow get the GUI to enable up. So that's why I'm not going to show it. For the moment, at least. So, like, once I finish it and all that, I'm just gonna change over to the actual gameplay, the main game, and then work on that. Let me just see if I can get this to work then. So I was told. Wait on. Let me get some message real quick. Oh, I'm deafened in Discord. Dang. But anyways, let me go to here real quick. So I was told. So for here, right, I'm gonna try out this. Let me just see. User ID. I do user ID. And your admin friends IDs. I don't really just game dot creator ID, I guess. I'll just do that for now. Place ID. Game dot place ID. Oh dang. Wait. Layer. Wait. Would this actually? I wonder if this actually works. Hold up. I don't see how this shuts down all servers though. Oh wait, shut down all servers event. So wait, let me change it to shutdown event. Shutdown event. On server event? Why is it server event? Shutdown event. It's on left. What was it? It's like I forgot it. Was it on server event? It was on server event. Oh no mind, I was wrong. Okay, that has no errors. Let me try that. Let me open up Roblox's Creator Hub real quick. Did I click onto Holocam? No, I didn't. Okay. Let me restart all outdated servers. Let's you can't see the screen. Hold up. There we go. So that should work, hopefully. Also, let me just wait 1 second. Not really play the game. I don't know why the game didn't update. Hold on. Alright. So, I've got some news for YouTube content. I have gotten a green screen and a new camera. Hopefully, I'll be able to do some YouTube content. Maybe. But maybe I can have webcam on. Because the quality of this webcam is HD, so this would actually look decent at least. Oh, now it restart. Alright, so this is this. Still got the button. Might need to quickly. Oh, hello. This doesn't look like funky. I am funky, I can assure you on that. I just have an axolotl thing. Axolotl PNG. Tuber thing. I'm just trying to work on a game on Roblox right now. Which I'm currently struggling on one piece of code, but I'll get there eventually, hopefully. Restart all outdated servers. Let's see if this is faster. I think Roblox is having an oof moment right now. Because this is taking forever to restart one server. I think it's best if I just leave and rejoin, to be honest. Hello, Bread Frog. Welcome to the stream. I think Roblox is currently dying right now. Because it's not restarting my servers, and it's also not allowing me to connect properly. So I think Roblox might be dead right now. Hmm. Um. Okay, loaded in. I've loaded it. Now, thing is, I need to test. The block isn't there. Let me just place the block right here, just so I can test. That there. Just gonna anchor it. I will sleep soon. I just popped by in a bit. Good night, smart kid. Alright, good night, Bread Frog. Enjoy your sleep. Alright, let's test if this works. It doesn't even lower the thing anymore. Great. It's potential because wait, hold on. That's because I made the local shutdown event hidden. Let me just do that. No, I did not mean to click onto that. There you go. Alright. Restart all outdated servers. Let's see if this is quick or not. Roblox is currently dying. I don't know why. It wasn't doing this last time. Roblox just, for some reason, doesn't like me. Because everything else seems to be working just fine, but, except Roblox. What is this? This game that I'm working on is supposed to be a psychological horror story game. I'm currently waiting for it to shut down the servers so I can update it, and a brick should appear there. Because I'm trying to make a feature, but for some reason Roblox is being really slow, and it's taking forever to update all outdated servers. So, looks good so far. Well, yeah, honestly, the lobby, I didn't really try much with the lobby. I didn't make like realistic lighting or anything. I just pretty much did that. Like if I didn't really make much realistic lighting. I just did a bunch of circles on the roof. But I tried to make the lobby at least somewhat decent so then you can actually understand what's going on. Or so yeah. Oh, there you go. Now it's finally restarted. So there's the brick. Now the way to test this is to go to Studio, which you can't see for the moment because I'm trying to make sure that this don't work. Make the brick transparent and make it so you can't collide or touch it. Alright, now pull up the little button here. It didn't do anything. Great. What did I do wrong? Let's see if I've done something wrong. Hold up. You could probably add some detail to the lobby. Yeah, I was thinking of that, but I've been working on this for like a few months, and it still hasn't it still hasn't fully been worked on at all. Because I haven't even got the main gameplay done at all. Um. Uh, I had a bit of hair in my mouth. Um. Okay, so if I do that real quick, I update all outdated servers. This is gonna take forever. I'm just gonna try and leave and rejoin. And now this is gonna take forever to rejoin. Oh god. I don't know why Roblox is currently having an issue right now. Roblox always likes to have an issue at the wrong timing. Ugh. It's gonna take forever on the loading screen. You know, while we're on the loading screen, I'm gonna go see CQ's room. Oh, it's joining. Let's just say hello to CQ real quick. Hold up. I'm gonna mute the game audio. I'm gonna put it to low actually. Let's say hi to CQ. Go say hello.
But if the fire goes out, then we're gonna need protection from the deer, but still somewhere to, you know.
Hello CQ.
Where? Huh?
CQ has a nose.
Oh, yeah. We have a full gym in the forest already.
Hasn't even noticed me in the chat. Wait, wait. Just wait for it. I might as well test out this while I'm at it. It didn't work.
No. Oh, there, yeah. Okay.
Hello, Kyoko. Welcome to stream. I'm just trying to get CQ's attention with CQ's playing 99 Nights, so.
Yep.
CQ is currently about to run out of fire right now, so. No, I'm gonna donate water Z duck.
Oh, I love this. I love this.
Water Z duck. Come on. Just popping in. I'm just about to have dinner. Alright, that's fine. I'm gonna be streaming for quite a while, so you might be able to pop back in. Well, it looks like Devo went live as well. Yep, Devo's playing Silk Song again. Oh man, I need to start playing Hollow Knight and Silk Song. Those are the two games I want to try out, but I'm broke. So
I'd say that be our exit, since, you know...
Come on,
we
CQ,
can't
see
go
me.
entrance, 'cause we'll be
See.
able to jump up there.
On my screen, you just fell over.
Yeah, I need a fishing rod to fish.
I'm on controller, so I'm probably going to end up accidentally breaking the game somehow. Yeah, the game's not entirely made for controller controls yet. But it will be made soon. It will be made soon. Hopefully. Yep, there goes Devo. Live on the song. Alright, let me try and this button doesn't work. If I do this.
No,
Oh,
I had to help it into the fire.
well, I did. I'm just gonna close CQ stream because CQ hasn't noticed me. Alright. Yeah. Now we sit here for about 5 minutes waiting for Roblox to close their server. I have to have dinner. Bye. Alright, see you, Kyoko. I'll see you soon. Let's hope Roblox fix their servers by then. See you later. Alright, see ya. Oh, I don't like how long this takes. Why does Roblox have to have issues when I'm trying to play? There we go. Alright, so the brick's there. Let's test this. So, if I make the brick invisible, because if I walk through the brick, you can't touch it. So you wouldn't even notice it there if it's invisible. And let's try the restart button. Gonna have to give it a moment because I know Roblox is pretty slow. Roblox is incredibly slow, actually. Ah. Alright, well that goes on. I'm gonna see if it's... I'm gonna give it a moment. Oh, okay, I'm back. Oh no. This is the issue with Roblox. I don't know if it's working or not. Because if it's working, it might just be taking a while, but if it's not working, I don't know if it's going to take a while or not. That's the issue. Is that your game? Yeah, I'm trying to get a server restart button for myself when there's an update. Or if the game ends up getting like laggy, I can restart the servers to thingy. But I don't know if the game if it's working or not because of how the servers have been slow today. Well, look, it says waiting for an available server right now. But I know that there's. So yeah, I've joined another server. It's like really slow. That's the issue. So press restart all. Okay, if it were to have worked, it would have worked by now. Oh wait, game settings? Uh, Security maybe. Is it HTTP request? Oh, maybe that's what it is actually. That might be what I need to enable. We do that. We do a restart. Restart all outdated servers. Unless if oh no, it just failed to teleport. Press it again, maybe. Failed to teleport. Unable to cast value. Oh wait, what did I type wrong? What did I type wrong? Hello, I'll buy Buck. Welcome to the stream. Oh, it worked. So sort of. I think. I don't know. Alright, so maybe let me just double check something. What are you doing? I'm trying to make a Roblox game. Right now I'm just trying to make a function where I can shut down the servers from inside the game. But I'm currently having struggles to try and make it to actually shut down the server and redirect players to a new server. I'm just seeing if I can fix that issue. Okay, so That hopefully should be the issue, hopefully. I could potentially be wrong, but whatever. Best to try. That's if I'm gonna have to sit here for about. There's one way. I mean, I know I'm so close because it redirects players, but it doesn't redirect them to a new server. That's just the issue. It's something to do with like reserved servers or something, which I'm trying to figure out right now. The only way is using the hidden code I use for the game. The only way is using the hidden code I use for the game. I don't know what you mean. It's a secret. Oh, I'm trying to figure it out myself. Alright. It's just the issue is that Roblox. Oh, this is an issue here. That's definitely an issue right here. Like a small gap in the wall. Same with here. Alright, whatever. I'll just sort that in a second. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to figure out is this button, which I can make it appear by pressing a button, and it only works if it's my user ID. Basically when you press it, it comes down with this. I don't know how long it would take for it to actually kick in, but basically what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to redirect a player to a new server and shut down this current server. I don't know if it's going to be doing much of that. Well, yeah. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Hmm. The issues is that Roblox is currently lagging a little, so sometimes I can't tell if it's actually. Right, so it's giving me the same error. Did I not even change anything? I am a little developer of Roblox. Now I search for guys for collabs. I speak English very bad. I'm French. I was checking out my channel. Alright. Okay. Alright, let me shut down all outdated servers. Let's see if it. How long it take. I've already done it. I'm waiting for it right now. Still sat here waiting. It's taking forever. Still hasn't restarted. Hello, Funky. Have you heard of this new game called Hollow Cabin? Okay, say legs. Alright, so it's restarted. Blows up pancake with mine. Alright. Let me test it now. So restart all servers. Teleport failed. Again. Line 61, let's see. Let's see what line 61's having an issue with. Oh yeah, because there's no such thing as game shutdown, is there? So. Game dot... What is it? Game... I don't know. What if I... game close? What does game close do? Wait, open... Show code examples. Oh, game close literally just closes the game. Like, closes the... Okay. It's not game shut down, it's... Why did you switch to a silly axolotl? Because axolotls are my favorite, okay? Plus, I'm not really playing Dandy's World. I'm gonna do the... I'm gonna do Astro when I play Dandy's World now, so... let me just restart again. Restart all outdated servers. What's it's gonna take another, like, 6 minutes. Because for some reason Roblox is slowing down. Yeah, Roblox has died. Oh, okay. Will you ever play Twilight Zone? I might try Twilight Zone. Yeah, because I saw it's like another version. It's like another Dandy's World, basically. I was watching my brother play it a little bit. We're still waiting for it to shut down. Currently obsessed with it, and I definitely haven't already unlocked and mastered half of the characters. You probably have. I mean, it's you, Salix, of course you have. Alright, there you go. Finally. Ooh. All this just to test. Okay, trying to figure out, like, for a new vid. Alright, let's try this again. It's not even, did I type in something wrong? Did this, oh, script error. Yeah, the code is wrong, hold up. Game. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. It's still in testing, so it's not the best, but it got a little update, so the UI isn't exactly the same as Dandy's World. And the monsters can now see you. Nice. I'm just trying to figure out the game don't want ad service, I want I'm just trying to figure out how to shut down the current server. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Uh um oh, this is taking forever. I made a new vid. Alright. Also, in my opinion, the game looks better than Dandy's World, in my opinion. I have to try it out eventually. Because, well, yeah, I've gotten some new things now. I've got a new camera. And I've got a, green screen, so... I'm gonna have some more You're gonna have more reaction into my videos instead of just, audio, I guess. Look at this vid. Alright, let me check. Give me 1 second then. Hello, Zay. Welcome to the stream. The maps are super cramped. But yeah. What game are you making? I'm trying to make a Roblox psychological horror survival story game. But I'm kind of stumped because I'm trying to figure out how to I'm trying to figure out how to make this button work, because I made it work to where the screen comes down and it redirects a player to a new lobby. Well, not to a new lobby. It redirects a player to a lobby, but it isn't an updated lobby. That's the issue. So it redirects the player to a lobby that's out of version, basically. That's what it does. I'm just currently trying to figure out why it's directing players to, like, the non-edited lobby. And then also Roblox is also having a bunch of issues, like right now, so I'm going to restart all outdated servers because I've changed code a little. Now let's sit here and see how long it takes. We're gonna be sitting here for a little bit while this game sounds amazing. Yeah, it's just a simple song I made for the lobby. Cause I still need to work on the main gameplay, like all the main game. But I'm trying to make this work first. Before I'm carrying these newbies hard. New one? I didn't see a new one. Hold up. I see a video from 9 days ago. And then September 7th. Oh, I wish I could help you. Yeah, I mean, it only makes sense that I'm struggling on this, because honestly, I haven't spent that long on Roblox Studio, to be honest. I've only been scripting on Roblox Studio for about 2 months now. You saw my channel. Yeah, I didn't see any, like, new video, though. It's just from, like, 3 to 4 days ago. Alright, let's see if the button would work. So it brings that down. Does it teleport the user? No. Crap. And then, like, this takes a... No, okay, that's fine. That's, like, perfectly fine. Did I do something wrong? Well, that's interesting. What? Well, that's irritating. Yeah. That's, it is quite irritating, because I can't really figure it out. Alright, let's try this. Trying to figure out. Alright, I'm gonna try this code. Let's see how long it takes to restart Roblox lobby now. Still taking forever. Cause like I've got everything else working fine. I've got like donation board. I've got this, which I've customly coded it to where like you can remove players. Like if I run this command, that's not nope. If I do, there you go. It should have. Hello, my name. Welcome to the stream. If any of you have Discord, I will show you. That's a bit odd. It should have removed them from the thing. Is Roblox seriously having a crisis right now? I think Roblox might be having a crisis. Yeah, because they're still on there. If I wait, hold on. If I try to add my username real quick, that worked. Okay, never mind. I might have just typed it wrong. Remove that, and then that worked. Okay, never mind. Roblox is not having a crisis. Not for me. I'm on Roblox and it's doing good. Yeah, but I meant like the servers are lagging for me, like with its functions. Because for me, it's not. It's not restarting the servers when I want it to. Okay, so that worked. That completely redirected me. But now the real test is, so what I need to do is, there's a block here. I'm gonna have it appear. Now I'm gonna publish this real quick. So it's been published. So now if I press this, it redirects me, and if there's a block here, that means it automatically updates. Hopefully, at least. I'm just gonna double check my script. But I think it should redirect. Yeah, they should redirect me. So let's try it. The block isn't there. Alright, so it does an update. Okay, wait, it says... Hold on. Let me go to create a hub real quick. Um... Do you want a script? Maybe it could help. Um... I mean, you could give me a script, and I guess I can just modify it to fit my game. I'm joining your Discord. Alright. Um... I'm assuming Discord link is expired. I haven't really changed it in quite a while, so let me just hold up. Let me just get this. Let me just put this in here. And then I'm gonna pin that message. Dang it. Dang it, it's too long. Uh... Hmm. Yeah, I don't really know how to make it to redirect people, that's the issue. I'll send it one at a time. but put them together and see if it works. Alright. Let me get the YouTube stream open again. Alright, I got a YouTube stream open. I verified. Nice. Oh, that's gonna be a struggle. Okay. Why is this having a script error? Why is this having an error? Actually, I'm setting the script shorter. Alright. Don't know why this is having an error. Teleport failed, so why is the teleport failing? That's something I need to figure out exactly. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at this. Local play. Yep. Place with my place ID. Okay, what the hell? Okay. They knew I was live, so they came to say hi and go. Look in chat on Discord. What chat? There's nothing sent. The art? He just said, wow. That's what he said. I was on your call and I was scared to talk. Yeah, I saw you on the call. You don't have to be scared to talk though. Oh, welcome back, Bucks. Welcome back to the stream. Zay, is that all the code, by the way? Because that code wouldn't really work. And plus, that's pretty much the same thing. That's the same 3 lines I've got in my other code. So. Oh no. The whole code is too long, so I'm creating another one. The whole script. Alright. Alright, well, while Zay makes their code, I'm gonna see if I can get this one to work, maybe. Alright, I'm gonna see if this works, maybe. Hopefully, at least. Oh, okay. Look at the general at Discord. Alright, weird thing. Are they saying weird things?
First time talking.
Alright, if it isn't what you need, I'm sorry, but I have to have to go. Bye. Alright, see you, Zay. Hello.
Yeah, I was calling with Mate.
Mm-hmm. I can tell.
I was calling with a friend from my country, and we were playing like 99 Nights in the Forest.
Yeah.
Just grinding gems. Yeah, so on my lumberjack class, I got assassin. Somehow.
Hold on, let me try the script this guy gave me. It doesn't help.
42 gems. Yes, finally. Lumberjack level 2.
Oh my gosh, Roblox is really annoying. Is it working now? I don't know, because Roblox is taking forever to restart servers.
Let me join. Yeah, just rejoin, and it should work.
Yeah, but no, it needs to be able to restart servers.
Oh, okay.
I mean, that's the whole point of a button that's supposed to restart servers for updates. We'll give it about 5 to 6 minutes before they get. Alright, so there's no brick here. If I go here and make the brick visible. Save that. Now, if I attempt a server restart, this probably won't work. 30 Shades of Blue, welcome to the stream. Let's see if it works. It redirects. It didn't spawn the brick. It didn't update the server. Show me the code scripts. Let me see if I can. Hold up. Give me 1 second. Okay, wait. So this is the studio. This is the code I have right here. Like this is the code I have right here. So basically, messaging service that basically sends the message through all servers to tell it to shut down, do a shutdown event. So it's a trigger. It's a remote event that does it. This is supposed to be the place ID for the lobby. This is the place ID for the lobby, which is supposed to send them to the place ID, which is the lobby, but it sends them to the area. It sends them to a server that's not restarted. I'm trying to figure out how to send them to a server that's restarted. That's the issue I'm having right now. That's pretty much the issue I'm having right now. I don't know how to resolve it. That's a lot, yeah. Maybe if I change this and let's restart all update servers.
Hey, Stinky!
Okay.
Hey, Stinky!
Bro.
Hello.
Hello.
How's the stream going?
Stream's going fine. Game development not going well. And there's two reasons. There you go. Hmm?
Yeah, Mate.
I'm gonna send you what you asked for.
Okay.
Let's see if this works. It did not work. The block's still here.
How many people are in chat right now?
I don't know.
Yep, found it. Funky I subscribe on YouTube.
I don't know. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Today was so annoying, honestly.
Who's they?
Today it was the most boring day in my school history.
I literally had to do PE in the rain.
Is it
How's
working?
your
No,
day
it's not
going?
working. It's not that bad. I was doing PE inside, and I was doing this thing called prison ball.
Now I had PE outside. And we had to do like lunges and everything outside. It was chaos. And there were like 30 people in the class.
Hmm. Sup? Welcome, for a fond instinct. Welcome to the stream.
Yeah, so I had PE in like my first subject in the morning.
Yeah, same.
to do like PSHE
And-
today.
Bro, like
Just
it was
before
the
that,
most
though.
boring subject of all of my subjects.
Nah, first thing I do today, go in the rain and do lunges.
And, like my teacher was so much yapping.
What are you making? I am making a psychological horror survival story Roblox game.
Remember that truck hobby thing, right?
Yeah, that rage baiting game.
Yeah, how do you reverse actually? Like, I don't understand. I need help.
Right, I kind of forgot how to reverse, bro. Wait, reverse.
Like, how to actually probably reverse. Like, with also moving your trailer.
Oh, yes. So you can't move your trailer.
No, like, reverse so that you can.
Oh, okay, is this the
What
lobby
is the
area?
most-
Yeah, this is the lobby area.
What is the worst moment that in a holiday that you've ever had?
Like a nothing. Wait, yeah.
This year. For me,
Thunderstorm.
it's this year.
What happened?
Going on holiday and the only place you can go to have fun is arcades. But, like, it's a really small
Nah.
arcade.
This year, like March, it was. Like, it was 6 a.m. and the fire alarm just starts blaring in my hotel. Like, it was annoying, like, so annoying. And then guess what? Just like a month later, at the middle of the night, our alarm just starts blaring for no reason because, like, it's out of battery or something. Coincidence? I think not.
Okay, but like stage 46 is actually hard.
Bruh, this guy pushed me.
No way. No way. I think I actually did it. I did it. I did it. No way. Mate, I did stage 36. No way. No.
Oh my god, this is
Are
so
you
annoying.
streaming your Roblox and Studio screen or just Roblox at the moment? Just the Roblox stream at the moment because I'm trying to make a... Well, like I said, I'm trying to make the restart button work. But I don't want, like, exploiters to be able to see what the name of the button is because I know exploiters, how they do it is usually Roblox scripting anyway.
Wait, Funky, couldn't you just like put like blur on them or something? Like just start squiggling on top of like just start just scribbling on top of like the thing.
What do you mean scribbling? This is OBS, not IBS Paint. Yeah, I was planning to do
You
the
can like
I was planning to do the user ID check, but the problem is I can't even get it to work, so just trying to figure out why it doesn't. because it redirects. Well, supposedly it redirects. Like if I do this, it does that, it redirects. But then like when I do something like a simple change, like make this invisible, it doesn't actually redirect for the update.
Look in DM.
What's your favorite game? Like on Roblox?
Like my favorite game.
Funky.
Yeah, I'm trying to do something right now. I'm getting really annoying. I ain't gonna quit. I'm gonna eventually find out how to do this. Why don't you just press the restart all servers on the Roblox page instead of the using the GUI button? Because I can't figure out how to make it to where it connects to the Roblox restart page, to where it pops down with this little menu here. I can't figure that out. So that's why I'm making a GUI instead.
Stage 16 completed, finally.
But I don't.
Rage bait game.
I don't think there is game bind to close function end.
Stage 17
Game
completed.
bind to close function end. Is that how you shut down the server? Like game bind to close function end.
So rage bait.
Wait, I need
But
to
yeah,
test this.
I
Hold up.
don't quit. I don't quit the rage bait.
Not shut down, but do something before it shuts down. I thought that was what you were saying. Was I wrong? Well, what I had as the code was game colon shutdown, and like in brackets as well. Because I don't think that's right, but then it doesn't say it's a script error, so I assume that it probably was correct.
If only you could go back stages.
But you used to, like, I can go to like back, but like they removed it for some reason. Like, I could go to the first stage if I wanted in the old game, like the old version.
Go wait for the servers to reset. Hold up.
Should I join up?
Hmm.
Should I join you? Should I join you?
You can join if you want. Alright, there you go. So the block's gone. Let me update the block. So the block will be visible. So now, if I was to
Now this game.
press this, it should restart all servers. Like, actually restart. Because I've made the message thing where it sends it across all servers that are active as well, and I know that worked because I tested it with, like, private servers. So this should teleport and shut down the server, hopefully. It did not. It didn't do anything. It.
Matei, I made 46.
I don't know what's going
You
on.
did what?
I did the hardest.
Nah,
rage bait
check
stuff.
chat. Check chat.
Yeah.
Could you show studio? I could try. Hello.
Like stage 47 is like way harder, bro.
Alright, let me.
Different game now.
Yo, wait. Yo, I think I'm cooking.
Play that grass cut game where I got OP.
You're playing
I'm
Lawnmower
very OP.
Simulator?
Kind of. Kinds of.
What do you mean, kind of?
What?
lawn mowing simulator? Is that what you mean by
No.
grass cutting game?
Yeah, yeah. No, like you need to fight people, I think.
Yeah, it's basically you have to cut grass whilst people try to fight you or something.
Why
Honestly,
can't
you
I
just
have
don't
private
gotta
servers?
question it.
I haven't got the private servers enabled right now. Let me studio. Alright, so this is the code.
Like honestly, you just don't gotta question the name. Like it's kind of peak, to be honest. Like
But it's
you get
boring.
just Funky. Do you know any peak games?
No, not really.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. My brain tells me so.
Oh, yeah. I think I see a big purple chest. So time to go around.
Yeah, I think I'm stuck.
I guess you can join me, cause that
Like,
the game you're playing right now is Rage Bait, Philip.
bro, like I made like stage 46 first, like after like my 20th time.
So you can remove it if you're not doing it. Basically, no, what I've done is I've set it to the bottom. It's at the bottom here, but it's on a delay. Is this seconds or is this milliseconds? Duration minimum number of... that might be why. Is this second? Should I change this to like 0.1 or something?
Yeah, I'm not gonna continue this run. I was cooking this round.
Because like when
Officially quit.
I have it... Oh my god. What I have it doing is that it's basically... Like this is services and players and all that, and event. Different one assistant. This is like the... Because this is what I'm working on, but the button hasn't got the thing yet. And nor does the GUI that comes down. Okay. Let me do a bit of research to that then. Roblox documentation. Let me search. What was it? Bind to close? It's just bindable function. Bind to close Roblox. Data model. Bind to close. Don't task.delay it. The experience waits 30 seconds, all bound functions to stop before it shuts down. After 30 seconds, the server shuts down if even if functions are still running. So I have to somehow get it to run 30 seconds before. I don't know what it means. It binds a function to be called before the server shuts down. If the bound function accepts the parameter, it passes enum close reason, specifying the reason for the server shutdown. You can bind multiple functions calling bind to close. What? Go to where it says binding to handle game shutdown. It's not on the thing. It's not on Roblox's thing. Yeah. It's not on the docs. I don't see it at least. Get objects, decal textures. Data model loaded. Wait for child. Data model place ID. On that document you were just on. Yeah, I'm on the document. I'm looking. It doesn't show anything about what binding to and handling game shutdown. It doesn't show any of that. Binding to. Ah, there it is. Okay, wait. Game to bind to close. Function close reason. Print close. Closing with a reason. But like, does that redirect players to a new lobby though? So wait, what I need to do is make a close reason for this. So, okay, wait. Close reason. Not game shutdown. But this is what I mean though. Roblox suggested me this. No, it's for handling stuff before a server shuts down. So, do I put everything into this function then? Close reason A. It's just close reason A. Nah, just remove it. But then what do I do? Because, like, this doesn't... Since I'm guessing you don't need it. I want it to where it makes a player goes to a new lobby, shutting down the older lobbies. That's what I want it to do.
Philip, what game are you DMing me?
It's Roblox moments. I just wanted to try something. If I can join the game that I wanna join, but it ain't working.
How do I join Roblox Moments?
Oh, have you seen a few videos on how they do it? No, I haven't. I just know it's something to do with teleport servers, but I don't know how to make it to where it teleports them to a new lobby. That's the thing.
But I just go to settings, and there should be.
At least it has to be with teleport servers, I think.
Where? What?
As in other
Yeah.
games, they make it send them to a testing place, alternate place where it teleports them back to the main place after 10-30 seconds to give the service time to update and refresh. It is with teleport service. I don't have a testing place though. Okay, wait, hold on. Question then. Wait, hold on. So, what would happen if... Okay, wait, hold on. Actually, tell me, would this or would this not work? If I made it to where I make a second place, that's basically the same lobby, but the updated version. I update that lobby, and then when I press the restart button on this lobby, it will teleport everyone from this lobby straight to... No, because then that wouldn't be the starting place. That wouldn't work. Yeah, but I don't really want it to where, like, it had to teleport someone and you have to wait for the servers to come back. I want it to be like a thing where it just teleports them to a new server instead of the old server. Like how Roblox handles it, because Roblox does it to where if you shut down all old servers, it keeps all the new ones. It just shuts down all the older ones and teleports players to the newer ones. That's how I want it to work. Hold on. Is that... Okay, how do I wait? Let me open the toolbox. You said it was something in the toolbox, like soft something? Or was it soft shutdown? No results. Okay. It doesn't even pop up with that. Oh my
Okay, I have a
gosh.
question.
Yes.
How do you play Roblox Moments? How do you watch Roblox Moments?
I don't even know what Roblox moments are.
Yeah, so it's something like TikTok, but it's on Roblox platform.
Yeah.
Like, and like players make Roblox videos from games.
I don't know what it is, so I can't do anything.
Uh, if anyone in chat knows anything about thingy Roblox Moments, can you please tell Funky to tell me?
I think it's a game on Roblox called Roblox Moments.
It
Yes, I can
is.
join you. Philip, it says I can join you off the website, so I'll join off the website.
Okay.
It's I mean,
It should be work.
I know it takes Roblox some time to update the thing, but like, is it possible to where I can make it redirect a player to a new lobby instead of an old lobby? Like, is it possible I can mark the old lobbies with a variable or something, and then teleport them
It
to a
says
new
you do
lobby
not have
that
permission
doesn't?
to join this experience. It says I.
Alright, definitely up. But like, is it possible that I would be able to redirect a player to a new lobby and like mark the older lobbies with a variable or something? Like, I put all the old servers into a variable, but then I put the new servers. You could use teleport options to reserve a new lobby/server. How the hell teleport options? Hold on, Roblox documentation. Roblox docs, I need your help. How do I teleport options? Reserve server access code, server instance ID. Would it be instance ID? It's a part of teleport servers. That's a boolean. Don't want a boolean. Get teleport data, set teleport data. Who left? Oh, that was... Oh, they both left. So is it reserved servers access code or something like that? Yeah, I'm on that. I'm on that right now. But like, what am I looking for? As in teleport options? I don't know. Is it server instance ID? Is that what it is? Should reserve server. Data model dot job ID. Teleporting between places. I don't want it to teleport between places. I want just... Oh, never mind. Thought it showed an example. No, it doesn't show. I don't think it shows an example. One sec. Let me see if I can find an example. Because I can give you an example of what I mean. I don't know if you've heard of the game Dandy's World. Because like they have the... They have... wait, hold up. Let me pull up my chat doc column. Because I have a whole new laptop that I need to look at and see how it uses teleport options. Data... Teleport options. Teleport async result. Teleport service. Teleport async. What? Server access code set async. Private server ID. Why is it talking about private server though? I don't want a private server. Oh, you're on laptop also. No, like I'm using a laptop for both chats of Twitch and YouTube, but like I'm on desktop. I'm on desktop, but I have like a laptop right next to me that's for the chat. So like I'm not using OBS's chat dock for it. I'm using a laptop to see the chat. I don't see how this is helping me. The reserve server access code, but then it's talking about private server. I don't want it to be a private server. Because like it's saying about private server ID. Like why is it talking about ignore private server? Yeah, but I'm not gonna be able to ignore that if it's gonna teleport players to a private server. I don't want it to be a private server. I want it to teleport them to a public. If not, then why would it talk about private server then? Why does it include private server ID? Because it's saying teleport async result, private server ID. Why would it not be? Why would it just not be like server ID or whatever? Why is it private server? Hold on, let me. I'm gonna double check this. Hold on. Because I see what it means by reserved now. Because when it means reserved a server, it means a private server. It's because it's a reserved server. Yeah, the best option I know for the teleportation method you want is the separate places. Test place while I wait a few seconds to teleport to main place. Reserved is basically a private server, yeah. But then how does... This is the real question I have, though. How does the server such as... How do... Okay. So then... Okay. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a YouTube example. I can't find an example. But, like... There's a... I don't know if you've heard of the game Dandy's World. If you have, you haven't, you haven't. But, basically... Every time they update their servers, they have the same thing I have here, where the screen... I've been idle, but... They have the same thing I have here, where the screen comes down like that, but then it instantly redirects like that into a new lobby, which is updated. And it doesn't make you, like, double reconnect, it just reconnects you once. I don't know how they done that, because I can't do it. I don't know how they did it. Oh my god, this whole stream has just been on this one feature. Next stream probably won't be Roblox development. It will probably be a new game I got called Raft. Anyways, they might be using the normal Roblox server restart with that's the part of scripting. Yeah, but how do they do it to where the thing comes down? Like the GUI comes down on the screen saying the servers are restarting, then they make you reconnect only once. Oh wait, bind to close. Is that when it's detecting if the server's about to shut down? So if it detects the server's about to shut down, it does all the actions inside of that. Is that what that is? Yeah, about to shut down. Ah, okay. So I should be using that instead. Alright. Because I was trying to use that, but I didn't know how to make it to where it detects if it was gonna... or if I press that button or not. But now that actually makes sense. So, bind to close... Alright, so... let me try another script, hold on. In the one you saw before... what, in the bind to close one? Bind to close Roblox. Let me just hold up. Those examples, apparently. You said that it had a wait at the end or something? Yeah, in the documentation. Bind to close on server shutdown. But I don't know what it means by that. On server shutdown. Yeah, I appreciate the follow. And thank you for trying to help me out with this. Task.wait. Also, close function close reason. And then closing with reason that task.wait 3 and then print done. And then at the end of that is that when the server actually shuts down. Is that when the actual server shuts down? If I'm correct? Like after the task.wait thing and then the print's done, at the end of the line of bind to close, that's when the server shuts down? Is that how they do it? It yields / pauses for a specific amount of time, but I don't know if it actually pauses the shutdown for that amount of time. Let me try something. Hold up. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can do something. Hold on. Let me just search on Google. From my experience, it shuts down after the 10-second wait. The 10-second I added. Yeah. I don't know why. Roblox likes to slow down randomly, though. Because now, every time I update servers today, it takes about 5 minutes for it to actually kick in. For just one server. Because there's no other players on this game. Wait, so what was it? It was... Bind to close? How to use bind to close? You can access the player GUI and enable... I mean, it's not an enable, it's just where it like drags down. It's using a tween service, so. Hold on, I googled what bind to close does. Yeah, Roblox gives you 30 seconds max to finish everything inside it. It's triggered by game. That doesn't make sense, does that? Hold on. What is bind to close on Roblox scripting? I don't entirely trust AI, because it just gives me the AI thing when I search on Google. It's an API that allows developers to register a callback function, which will run the game shutting down when the server is about to close. This is particularly useful for performing cleanup tasks like saving player data, closing connections, or freeing resources before the game or server stops. You can use game bind to close, where callback function is a function you want to execute right before the server or game instance shuts down. Roblox will run this callback when the server receives a shutdown event, such as when the game session ends or the server is terminated. So it's like, okay. So so you make a function, and then you call that function, and whatever's in the function. But how does that make sense? Wait, so if I call. Okay, Neelis. Okay, jeez. I'm gonna have to double check this link though. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to double check the link. I'm gonna have to double check the link. I double checked the link through Google Docs in case if it's actually a redirection link. I already have this though. Yeah, I have a wheel of this for trinkets. And yes, I've got Toon's wheel as well. Okay, Gimple, can you please? I'm not gonna add Greasy Gilbert Greg to the game. I don't even know what that is. Is that caveman guy? Why do I feel like it's that caveman guy? Like, what's his name? Well, like, okay, what's his face? So like that. I don't know what it's called. This, not Toon Will. Check this wheel. I'm trying. Did my code work? No, your code did not work. I have figured another way out though. And that's by using thingy. What is this? Cursed randomizer. Free, get hit. What does the free mean though? Pick dial card, death floor, nightmare floor, can't use abilities. Can't buy until I don't know. I might use that then. But let me hold on. So had you connected it with an event in replicate storage? Yes, I connected it to the event I had in replicate storage. But like the thing is, it's with how it is, when it teleports a player, it doesn't actually, because it teleports async, but it doesn't update. It doesn't update the server. Like, if you get what I mean. Like, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it to where it will update servers as they rejoin, pretty much, kind of thing. But I think I might have to change it. Yeah, that updated for me. Yeah, but does it bring you to a private server? Okay, wait, user ID, add your user ID, because like when I did it, it didn't even, because like I have more things than that, because I have a whole function calling thing. Well, not like a function. I have a thing that gets called by a remote service thing, and then like it doesn't use the same name as what you put. That might be the issue. The method I use is always use shutting down and restarting from Roblox game page. Let me try the bind to close thing. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see if I can do bind to close. So you just renamed it. I tried to rename it, but it didn't work. Did it teleported you? Yeah, it teleported. The GUI. I don't think the GUI came down though. Yeah, I don't think the GUI came down. It teleported and it didn't update. Because I made like the difference I made was a brick was untransparent than it was. Uh, I'll not help you when that, because I need to go back to work. That's fine. I'm just trying to. just trying to figure out how to do this. Let me just wait, see if I can. Bye. Have a nice stream. Sorry for that. It's alright. That's fine. Hope you have a nice day at work. Hello, Mario Walker. Welcome to the stream. I'm just trying to quickly figure out how to do this. Okay, wait, so I have that there. Now let me just see this. Okay, wait, hold up. So this, let me reload real quick. So restart all outdated servers. This might take a second. Yeah, I've got that saved. I've got that saved already. I'm just waiting for it to reload the lobby real quick. If this ends up working when I next reload the lobby and it pops down with the GUI, oh, let me just make sure there's no errors. Hold on. Roblox Studio, yeah, no code errors. I'm just gonna test if this works, and if it doesn't, I'll just go to the main game just to show Neelis the map, and then I'm gonna end stream. Because honestly, how long have I been streaming for? How long have I been streaming? 2 hours. Already 2 hours. So there's the brick. So to test this, let's change this to be gone. Now, the moment of truth. I'm gonna press the restart all servers button and see if it works. It probably won't, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know what it is. For some reason, Roblox doesn't like to restart faster. I'm hoping that when this goes off, if it restarts, I'm hoping it pops down with the menu. And then 3 seconds later, at least, maybe 3 to 4 seconds later, it redirects me into a new lobby without that brick in the background. That's what I'm hoping would happen. But potentially, it'll just send me to a new lobby without the brick. And without the GUI popping down. Oh! Wait. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, I did it. I did it. There's no way. I did it. I actually did it. That is a shocker. I did it. I didn't expect that to actually work. I didn't expect that to work, but it did. Alright, well, I can remove this script. This is for, like, the button G. What did you use? Bind to close? Yeah, I just used bind to close. I'm just going to remove the admin reset button thing. Because I don't need that. So I got the GUI thing using a remote event to activate the tweening event thing. And then I've got the restarting thing. So the game bind to close, once it detects the thing going off, it calls the event. It calls the remote event to play the thing, and then it waits 3 seconds to give time for the animation to shut down, or to show up before shutting down. Oh my gosh. Fond, thank you. Honestly. I wouldn't have never known about this feature if you didn't tell me. And I probably wouldn't have still been stuck here. Thank you. No problem, just keep doing research for things like that. Yeah, I was trying to figure it out, but I don't know why. I keep getting, like, Roblox, I don't know if you saw, but Roblox kept suggesting me such code of game:shutdown. And I thought that was right because Roblox was suggesting me that, and it didn't say it was an error. So that's why I was so confused. Because, like, you know how you do the tab to complete thing? It's like, I pressed tab, it completed to that, and then, like, it pops up with that. And it doesn't even say it's a code error, but then in the freaking dev logs here, like, if I go to server logs, it usually pops up saying there's an error. Like, and it says what line it is, and it's always the line, game:shutdown. That's, like, the issue I have. So yeah, I appreciate you helping me out, honestly. Alright, so now that I've got that done, tomorrow I'll be able to, well, that's if I'm streaming tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow or if it's the day after, because tomorrow's Thursday, The day after's Friday, and I can stream way longer on there on Friday. But potentially, I will be trying to stream over the weekend, all days over the weekend. But unless I'm busy, I will notify in the Discord if I am. But before I go and end stream, Neelis has been requesting it for a while. Neelis wants me to show the current map so far. And honestly, the map looks stupid because I rushed it. But I guess it would have to do because I'm not really a designer for maps. So let me just boot up Roblox Studio. Yeah, just give me a second. I'm booting up the place because, well, for some reason Roblox Studio just doesn't have the actual changing place in game. Is the game playable? No, the game isn't. Well, okay, technically, for me, if I go into that green circle, it will teleport me because it detects my user ID. But anyone else that walks there, it just does nothing. Because, I mean, it does say on there the game is underdeveloped, so. Alright, let me, Okay, so I've already worked on this a little bit, because, well, thingy, let me, there's Roblox Studios, and then, if I go to lighting real quick, if I have this atmosphere set to 0.5 on density, this is just a simple map, pretty much. No trees down here yet, because I got upset with, but this is just a simple map. Here's the cabin in the middle of the map. This is, yeah, like I said, basic map. These trees came off the toolbox. So these here are batteries. They were supposed to be batteries. I got to model them first, but in here, so you can see like the trigger boxes that I have on here. So basically, once you walk into this trigger box, it's supposed to give you the flashlight, gives you that. The trees, so many. Yeah. There is quite a lot of trees, and honestly, they're quite uneven. I was thinking of redoing the map, but then, like, that's going to take quite a while. But, like, if you're, like, a player down here, like, and then if I actually have the right settings of, like, darkness, so, for example, if I go to lighting real quick, so the clock is 17.9. I'm going to keep that in mind. So if I set it to 0, for example, this is, like, nighttime, and then having atmosphere to be at the density of, like, about there. Oh, what am I missing? Is it offset? 0.25, I think. This looks off. What did I do wrong? Oh, is it too bright? That might be. Yeah. But, like, if I end up messing with these settings. Oh no, is it supposed to be 1 or like. Yeah, there you go. It's supposed to. Oh, that's daytime. That's saying daytime. But it's supposed to be like night, like this, basically. And then like if I hold on, if I grab the spawn location real quick, let me just move it. Let me just move it here real quick so I can just show you. Yes, this does have a little text cutscene. It's terrible, I know, because I can't animate. I don't have Moon Animator. So it's just a little text cutscene. Yeah, simple text cutscene. Because, you know, I can't animate without Moon Animator. Because I was supposed to get Moon Animator, but the problem is it added a freaking VAT fee on it, and it's like it just ruined it. All right, so yeah, I'm already inside the trigger boxes. That's why it's looking off. But 99 nights. Okay, so I've got simple sprint bar with like FOV changes and all that. the batteries over here, I haven't made them like to where you can't use them without the flashlight. It kind of just like lags-ish, but in here, this is the trigger box. So, yeah, I don't know why the map likes to disappear before I get to the trigger box. I don't know why it does that. Oh, no, oh, it's a visual effect, never mind. It's a visual bug. Because it appears like... Yeah, but then... There you go. I press the trigger box, and I've got the flashlight battery. You can use flashlight, etc. with F. But I need to make a console button for this. Which will probably be right trigger, obviously, because, you know, right trigger. But yeah, this is used with C-frame. So it's like every frame, it's the flashlight follows the camera. You know, simple Lixian type of game. I might need to make it to where the flashlight goes further though, because this is not distance at all. But yeah, that's pretty much the map. If I just change this back to normal. But yeah, that's pretty much the map right here. And since Fond helped us with the resetting thing, pretty decent. Would recommend trimming down the tree count. Yeah, I just gotta try and figure out how to make it where it's like a closed space, but then it's like not too many trees for the game to lag. That kind of thing. Because, like, I know that's going to be an issue with having this many trees. But then this whole place here, this whole base area place, is supposed to be an area where you're supposed to explore. Like, for example, if you look right there, you can see it's a cave. Hold on, because I have a GUI for this, actually. Hold on. I haven't set the GUI properly, but I have a map GUI. Let me just enable it. So it's like a simple map that I drew. What's your PC specs? My PC specs? But yeah, this is pretty much a simple map I drew. This is the parking lot where you start, you know, cop cars, etc. Let me just, yeah, cop cars. Yeah, basically the story of this, you're a cop, going to explore the forest after finding out there's missing people here. Don't question the logic back here. They just vanish into non-existent when you leave. And also, this is spoiling a few endings here. But yeah, this is the simple map. So I have a cave here, the house here, etc. Oh, hello CQ, welcome to the YouTube stream. But yeah, this is the simple map. GPU, CPU, RAM, motherboard. I don't know my motherboard. I know the other three. My GPU is GTX 760. CPU is i5 8th gen. The RAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's DDR3. Hello CQ. I can see you in the YouTube chat. I'm talking to Neelis right now. Neelis wanted to see the the map. So yeah. And I've showed a little more than the map. Honestly, I showed a few GUIs as well. As on the side it shows. Anyways. Yeah, anyways. CQ kind of joined at a terrible time. Because yeah. DDR3 is old, plus GPU, old CPU. DDR3 is old, GPU old, and CPU you don't know. CPU isn't that bad. And plus, honestly, this old version of the GPU isn't actually that bad. Because I can run games like Raft and Peak and all that still. And those games are like highly recommended for higher specs. But yeah, I'm still running them full quality. With about well, maximum 60 FPS because of my my monitor goes up to 60 hertz. But yeah, computer equals old. I mean, I technically my computer's not old because it was recently built, but like it's got old specs pretty much. So it's a new computer, but just old specs. I am planning to maybe upgrade it eventually, maybe when I get a job, which won't be in like another year or two time, but eh. And once I upgrade it, I'm gonna try and upgrade the CPU, hopefully. Jake from Subway Surfers, welcome to the stream. It's Jake here, yeah. You kinda joined at an inconvenient time. Computer equals old components, yeah. Because I was about to end. I'm about to end stream because I've been streaming for 2 hours, almost 3. But hopefully I might be live tomorrow. If not, be live Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If I'm not busy Saturday and Sunday. Friday I shouldn't be busy, but Thursday I'm not entirely sure. I might have to babysit my nephew, but yeah. So I'm ending the stream here. At least, what are you doing? I was working on a Roblox game that I was making about a month ago, and I only recently learnt to code about 2 months ago. So, yeah, I decided to work on a Roblox game. You are bully. I'm not. I'm not trying to end when you join. I was just. I literally said I was going to show the map and then I was going to end. Upgrade recommendations: new motherboard, new CPU, and RAM. GPU 3070 plus. No. 3070 plus. I feel like that's just a bit of an overkill. Like even the first RTX graphics card is a good enough upgrade actually. DDR5 support motherboard. I might upgrade to like DDR5. I might do that because I know my RAM is half the reason I am having lag spikes on some games. But most games, I mean, Minecraft, yeah, lag. But games like Roblox and Peak and Raft and all that, it's like runs perfectly fine. No, I think what was it? Is it 1040 or something? 1050 Ti. That's what it is. 1050 Ti. I'll say that's a that's a GTX, not an RTX. What's the first RTX one? First RTX GPU. Oh, it's in the 20 series. Never mind. 2090 is enough. Yeah, so I'll say 2090 is probably the first. Oh no, it's 2050 actually. 2050 RTX. GDDR6 RAM. Memory speed 14 gigabytes. Power consumption 30 to 45 watts. Wait, for an RTX graphics card? I was actually expecting a lot more than that. AAA titles, higher settings can be achieved about 30 to 50 FPS. In modern gaming, low settings, while esports games can exceed 100 FPS at medium settings, actually. 2070 more. Let me see, hold on, 2070. Let's see the specs on this. Clock speeds, boost, memory clocks. Alright, yeah, actually, honestly, I think I might go to 270. The 2070 one. Because it's 8 gigabytes instead of 4 gigabytes of memory. And I think, honestly, 8 gigabytes is better. Where I do think... Wait, I don't think 2050 is even real. I mean, I searched it on Google. 2050 RTX graphics card. I don't know if it is or not. It's a budget friendly. Okay, yeah. So the RTX 2050 is a budget friendly graphics card suitable for basic gaming in 2025, but it has limitations for modern AAA titles, AAA titles. It says it's a thing. Oh, apparently it's for like mobile gaming. Apparently. Yeah, I don't really know, to be honest, but... Anyways, I'm gonna end stream here. Because I've been going for quite a while. Don't get 2050. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get 2070, to be honest, because 2070 has 4 extra gigabytes of memory on it. So I'm probably gonna get 2070 instead. The 50s are bad. Alright, well, I'll sort that out whenever I start getting an actual income. But, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end stream here because, well, I've been streaming for a while, and it took, what, 2 hours? 2 hours and 15 minutes just to get the restart system fixed. Which is quite a while. Shocking enough, that is quite a while. And that was pretty much the entire stream, pretty much, trying to get that freaking restart thing fixed. That really pissed me off. But anyways, I'm gonna end stream, and thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, I forgot your name already, Fond, for helping me out. Does watching you give you money? Only if the viewer gets an ad, pretty much. It's not, like, watching doesn't give money, it's just if the viewer gets an ad. So, like, having an ad blocker, that would block your ads, and then that wouldn't give me money or anything, so. I don't even know if you can use ad blockers on Twitch. Anyways, I'm gonna end stream here. Thank you everyone for joining, and saying hi. Thank you, Neelas, for requesting to see the map many times and giving me trinkets and tune wheels. And thank you, Fond, for helping make the restart system and for telling me how to use the bind to close thing. The bind to close function. I don't know if Fond's still here or not, but hopefully Fond might look back at the stream thingy, whatever you call it, VOD. Anyways, catch you all next time. Bye.